1. Vei lane she. In English, 1. In Khasi, vei lane she. How many child do you have? Kadno ngot ki khon phidon. In English, how many child do you have? In Khasi, kadno ngot ki khon phidon. I have one child. Nga don uwei ukhon. In English, I have one child. In Khasi, nga don uwei ukhon. How old is your child? Ikhon jongpi iladap katno snem. In English, how old is your child? In Khasi, ikhon jongpi iladap katno snem. My child is 1 year old. Ikhon jonga iladap shisnem. In English, my child is 1 year old. In Khasi, ikhon jonga iladap shisnem. Do you love your child? Hato piet ya ikhon jongpi. In English, do you love your child? In Khasi, hato piet ya ikhon jongpi. Yes, I do. Haoik ngait. In English, yes, I do. In Khasi, haoik ngait. What is the name of your son? Ukhon jongpi ukerteng kumno. In English, what is the name of your son? In Khasi, ukhon jongpi ukerteng kumno. My son name is. Kekerteng ukhon jonga deyu. In English, my son name is. In Khasi, kekerteng ukhon jonga deyu. What is your daughter name is? Kakhon kentei jongpi kekerteng kumno. In English, what is your daughter name is? In Khasi, kakhon kentei jongpi kekerteng kumno. My daughter name is. Kakhon kentei jonga kekerteng ka. In English, my daughter name is. In Khasi, kakhon kentei jonga kekerteng ka.